Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Digital Ocean TV. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make this and this amount of money from affiliate marketing in 2023 completely organically. See you in a bit. Okay, alright. So first you need to log in or sign into an affiliate marketing network like ClickBank or Digistore24. If you haven't signed up before, go to login, then forget password, and then create an account, because that's the best way and the fastest way to create an account. Fill out this form, which is absolutely self-explanatory, and you'll be creating an account. If you're not available in your country, you can create an account in digistore24.com like this. And because this offer that I'll be showing you today is pretty much available on both affiliate networks, in my opinion, you should not start with this offer because everybody's showing this offer all the place, all the internet. And also, second, it's very hard to track. It requires time because they give $1 free trial, in order to sign up people, and then maybe in a week you will receive your commissions eventually, right? So I'll suggest you to go and first do your due diligence. In this case, I would use citysnooper.com. So in Snooper, I usually look at rising products. As when you go to the rising product, there are a lot of products that you can see. Let's say Cortexi first. You need to see this upward trend for gravity and downward trend over a rank. See, if we see that, that means that the product, the offer, it's rising, right? It's an upward trend, and you're definitely gonna succeed in it if you follow this method that I'm gonna be showing you today. Then we need to choose our offer. Offers. As offer, I told you today we're gonna be showing you something very famous on the internet, custom keto diet. Just type in search bar custom keto and you're gonna get here. You need to click affiliate page. You go to this page, affiliate network, affiliate page for custom keto diet, and you're gonna generate the hop link. The hop link that you generate is the default. Just click generate, type your account name here, click generate, and the link will be generated below here. Copy it and go and paste it to another spreadsheet. Just save it somewhere in a notepad, in this case Google Doc. Then next step is to go and create an account in getresponse.com. I'll be leaving my affiliate link down below if you want to go through it. There's not going to be any additional fees for you, but you're going to sponsor this channel greatly. Then create a list. Go first tools, then to email marketing contacts, and then create a list. Call it, let's say, keto diet something, like custom keto diet, for instance. Like create this list here. This list, go to tools and to landing pages and create similar landing page. I'm gonna show you this one. Okay, so first create headline, get your meal plan, as simple as that. Create, type somewhere cookbook page or something like that. You can even skip this part. The most important part is to create, like, we have this static form like this one. I'll give you a link to this page so that you can be kind of inspired through it. I don't want you to copy it because I haven't used it actually. If everybody copies this page, if everybody uses the same method on the same offer, guys, it's not a good practice. Just be inspired by it and create yourself. So after they want to sign up for get your, no, it's gonna be create meal plan. All right. Okay. And I think that's it. Send them, once they go here, send them to your affiliate offer, which is this one. which is this one here. So after they clicking here, they should go here on this quiz. They may watch or may not this video, but then they're gonna click here and they will go through this quiz. Let's say male, and then fish. I like fish. Next, asparagus, cheese, and so on and so forth. I just wanted to show you age, height, target, weight, so on and so forth. This is one of the best ways, by the way, to convert cold traffic to to customers, pretty much through a quiz. And then we go to our next thing, which is open ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT to write short 500 characters blog post in keto diet. You should consider writing 1000 character blog post in your offer subject. And then I copied this and it created a blog post in vocal.media. You just need to click here, create a story, create an account first, then create a story. Title, let's say for instance keto dieting. I'm just making all these up, right? Alright guys, you get the point. You need to write the subtitle, you need to find an appropriate image like keto, let's say this one. Then you copy, paste this blog post here. Alright, then we're gonna create a CTA here, get your, to be congruent with landing page, get your free keto diet plan, and grab the link of this page. Next step. Alright, description, HTTP, send your domain. Yeah, you can add your domain here, by the way, publish it. And this is your page link, so adding this page link here. Okay, copy here, copy this, put it here at least twice, right? Okay, and of course between the lines you can add more images like this if you want. Of course you can add an image, of course. Keto, let's say this one, right? You see how beautiful it is. And then once you're ready with this blog post, we're gonna create the same blog post in another place where start getting organically a lot of views, and possibly people will, because they are interested in keto dieting, they will start reading. And definitely when they see this, get your free keto diet plan, they will click, and on your site they will see your landing page, and where they will go to the offer, right? And they will buy, most likely. Then we'll go to medium.com, another place like vocal.media, where you're gonna create an account. You create the same exact blog post. In those two blog posts URLs, you will advertise them here. Pingomatic keto dieting, let's say, blog name, or whatever your headline is, your name is. Then paste the URL of the blog, and don't touch this one. Then click all these options and then send the pin. After that, once you're ready, grab this content from the blog post and go to Google Docs and paste it in a Google Doc. And how this is done, you got a file and then download it as a PDF. And once you download it as a PDF, go to slideshare.net, and in slideshare.net we're gonna sign up again, and you're gonna upload it as a PDF. You can, of course, in addition, go to Canva and create a nice looking those photos, and that's not a big deal. Usually you can see 12,000 views, 11,000 views, 52,000 views. We have somewhere here 1 million views. 1 million views, guys. and it will expose PDF format your affiliate links. Don't forget this, guys, because you're not gonna get paid for this. Paste your affiliate links with call to actions like I showed you here, right? And create clickshare.net PDF. Then once you're ready with all of this, we're gonna additionally get more traffic from all these classified ads platforms. For instance, let me see, let me use this one, US, this one. Okay, and here we are not going to send traffic to the blog post. That's very important to know. We will be sending traffic straight to our landing page. So that's our landing page link, right? And you can go and if you don't use your domain name, create it in a bit.ly, right? I would suggest if you use your domain, go and do the next thing, the following thing. Click here to post free ads, 100% free posting. Then create a title like get your free kit meal, dieting, whatever plan, and then you can add an image even, right? We can do Google and say keto diet, boom, keto diet, then images, then tools, then usage rights, and commercial and other licenses. All right, once we have an image, let's say this image, just look the picture to look delicious, right? That's marketing, guys, to make people want this right now, right? So choose a picture and the link here, that's the link to our landing page. Again, the category go for health, weight loss. If it's a weight loss product, again, I don't suggest you choose this offer that I'm showing you right now as an example. It's just an example. Target city, you just skip this one. And don't forget that we are targeting only US, right? Only US people. Okay, owner's name, just make this up. I don't think that you need to use your name. Password, validation codes, you need to just rewrite this here. And submit. Keep in mind, do not duplicate, please. So don't create multiple advertising that are for the same product, because you're gonna get banned for this specific platform. And I'm gonna share with you all these websites that are for free classified ads where you can drive traffic to your landing page. And guys, this is the most powerful method from all that you've seen before, because people just send you 3 things and there's no way you can drive organic traffic from only one source, let's say from slideshare.com. There's no way to make a lot of money drawing only one source. I even suggest you, if you have more money, to start making money, right, to reinvest them into paid ads like Facebook, Google. My channel is full of that kind of information. You can go and search how to do Facebook, Google, advertising. And I'll leave you with this. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being a valuable customer. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video if you really like it. And I'm gonna be sharing with you all the links down below in the description. Thank you very much, and see you on the other side. Success.